All right, so I have a block here. It's already plugged in, USB, and this is the USB-C. So we're just going to plug this in, and we're going to let it charge. Looks like it's 95% right now, but we'll charge it all the way up, and then we'll check them out. Looks like we're at 100%. We can go ahead and unplug it, and now we can try these bad boys out. All right, so we've got to get this off of here. All right, so that one's off, right? All right, so let's go ahead and we'll get this one out of here. Okay, set that down. And get this one off, right? Bam. All right, so now we're ready to go. Now these things are ready to be used. So if you look inside here, you'll see that little magnet. So they snap right in there. This is the volume control on top. Clockwise, counterclockwise. So then you just put them in, bam, Bob's your uncle. Let's check them out and see how they work. Okay, so here we go, right? I've got them set up. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the lid. And again, notice they don't fall out, right? There they are. So they're color coded. You got red for right, green for left. So let me go ahead and pull. I'm gonna pull the green one out. This would be for my left ear. And they're connected with this little magnet, right? So that makes it, you know, kind of stays in there. If you look on the bottom, you see that little connection, that device that charges it. So on this front here, what I've done is I've turned it down because it's kind of loud when you stick it in your ear. You get like a screechy noise. But as soon as I put it in, oh my gosh, I can already start to hear more. Wow, that's amazing. All right, let's get the other one. Pop it out. And I want to turn that down too, you know, because I don't want it. So I go counterclockwise, right, to turn it down. And then I just put her in there like that. Twist it. And yeah, you can definitely hear. Let's go ahead and let's do this. I'm gonna open up something on here. Let's play this one.
My name is David Yelshar. I'm with KW.
When the going gets rough, the chill wells get tough. Pack up the RV with all kinds of stuff. With the kids in tow, it's our time to go.
I've got it in the lowest setting, and it amplifies it.
I was down and out when I was saved by a stranger who turned out to be the RV park ranger. She fixed my broken.
So that definitely works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this one up a little bit just to see. So to do that, I've got to go clockwise. I'm just going to turn it a couple turns. So I'm getting a little bit of a hiss, but I don't know if that's... Turn this one. So you can do it by just pushing your thumb against it, like this. Yeah, you definitely, my voice is even amplified in my ears. It's kind of crazy. So it's definitely working. Let me go ahead and pop them out. Ooh, it does give you, when you grab them, it makes a really screechy sound. So be aware of that. But I think they kind of work. I mean, for 89 bucks, not too bad. Kind of remind me of earbuds, you know? So let's go ahead and put these back in. So the left one goes here, right? That's green. And the red one goes here. So that's the way you put them in there. And close it. There's your port to charge it. Right now we're at 96. Or no, yeah, 96%. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.